Asset engineering, Pete and I formed about 7 years ago. We've gone from 2 guys to 20 staff now. We cover all bases in the building industry. It's from the secondary structural steel portals, smaller steel structures, right through to the finishing stages. So we do a lot of architectural, good looking stuff on buildings. And then we also do mechanical. So we do a lot of engineering, service, waste management, Enviro New Zealand, TUI fertilisers, companies like that. Predominantly in the Bay, but we have worked down in Christchurch, from Christchurch right up to Auckland. We are branching out all the time, looking for new avenues, and we have got a good reputation around the Bay. People do stand up and watch us and see what we're up to. Before QuickStock came along, we were running a pretty loose system where you run out, you send someone up the road to the engineering suppliers, they get the consumables and come back. And so, they'd run out again, send them up the road again. So no one was actually taking control. We weren't doing any price checking. Very, very time consuming. Obviously someone's got to drop their job or what they were doing. And especially nowadays with traffic flow, we could be losing an hour. That's loss of revenue, the travel costs, the time.
And they'll be stopping for a pie, right?
They'll be stopping for a pie somewhere, maybe pie and a drink somewhere, and always an excuse why they stopped, why it took so long. But yeah, not a good system. We decided to go with QuickStock because we just wanted a one-stop shop where we weren't shopping around. We knew that we were getting value for money. There was no lost time. It was just an easy solution for us. So how QuickStock works for us is we have lockable cabinets. We do have a storeman. He's the one that has the key. He's on site all the time. You guys have to come to him to actually get any consumables out of there. It's a really good way of gauging or monitoring the PPE gear that's going out. A lot of consumables that we can actually put back into the system, drill bits, bits and pieces like that. So it's actually really tightening up on the way that all these guys use our consumables. The guys who replenish the stock come in once a month. They know exactly what consumables we're using. They'll stock them up to the levels that we require. If they see that we're using more consumables in one area, they'll inform us. We'll have a look at it, and then most probably bump those or decrease in levels where we're not using those consumables. Financially, it's been a big improvement. It's a big gain, and that's what it's all about. Saving costs in areas where we need to. So it's worked really, really well for us. I would definitely recommend QuickStock to other engineering companies. No one wants to monitor anything. We're all too busy doing our own thing in the business. So having QuickStock come in, the guys replenish our stocks every month, is just a blessing. We get a printout of our financials. It keeps the costs down to a minimum. We can gauge everything that we need. It's the best solution. The last thing I'd like to say is the QuickStock and Euromarc have been really, really good to us. They've given us value for money, always there on call when we need them, any questions. And we just have really, really good service from them. Really happy. So I recommend it to everyone.